In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble an FS-line freestanding server cabinet manufactured by Upcom company. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Other side of these panels will be completed later on at Step 7. Step 5. Fixing the side support bars. Step 6. Fixing the caster sets. You have 2 pieces of casters with brake pedal and 2 pieces of casters without brake pedal. Caster sets with brake will be on the rear of cabinet. Step 4. This is the step to complete the Step 4. We will here fix the rear side if door holding panels. Step 8. Fixing the leveling feet, preferably with the drilling machine. Rear leveling feet should not be tightened too much, otherwise leveling feet will obstacle the movement of brake pedal of caster set. You may tighten the front leveling feet to the end. Step 9. Fixing the top panel. Step 10. Thanks to our compact design, you can adjust the position of mounting rails, as per your needs forward or backward side in an adjustment rail system. Vertical cable management channels comes as accessory, a standard component of cabinet. Here you see how to fix our fixed shelves to the cabinet. Step 11. Fixing the plastic door stoppers. These door stoppers stabilize the doors and don't let the door shake when it is locked. Otherwise, the door will make noise and shake around. Here, you can see how to fix fan module on the roof of cabinet. Step 12. Fixing the side panels. Step 13. Fixing the front doors. Step 14. Fixing the split perforated front doors.